Sun Salutations today, breath and movement, 2 half Sun Salutation, 2 simple lunge salutation, just breath and movement, like movement meditation. Let's start in the front of the mat, feet hip distance apart. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, bend the knees, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your chin, shoulders back, long spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, wrist high. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, bend the knees, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, wrist high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take a moment, feel that breathing pace that you've been creating. And we will do 2 simple lunges, salutation, breath, and movement. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, bend the knees, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back. Exhale, fingertips into the mat, send the right foot back, low lunge. Inhale, exhale, both hands into the mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, high plank. Drop the knees, come all the way down into your belly, your forehead is into the mat. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, forehead to the mat. Inhale, tabletop or high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right foot forward, low lunge. Exhale, back foot forward, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, wrist high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back, long spine. Exhale, fingertips into the mat. Send the left foot back, low lunge. Inhale, exhale, plant your hands into the mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, high plank. Drop the knees, come all the way down into your belly. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, forehead to the mat. Inhale, tabletop or high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, low lunge. Exhale, back foot forward, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, wrist high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take a moment. Connect with that breathing pace that you create. So let's start to meditate. Let's find a nice, comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes and just immediately start to connect with yourself. Just feel your body, what your body is telling you today, your thoughts, and then come to your breathing. As you inhale, feel the expansion of your body, and as you exhale, feel how your body relaxes. So today, my invitation is to just focus a little longer in that exhalation, in that relaxation that comes after each exhale. So relax, enjoy this moment, because this moment is your life. Stay with yourself for a moment. It is time to come back. Open your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your third eye.